Hi, dear lecturer and all. My name is Shanmugadharshini, and we are from Group 4 to present about the data analysis. Our topic is about the forest and non-forest area in measure between year 2000 and 2017, and we will describe more in detail on our testing. Introduction is this study to measure the change of the forest and non-forest area in measure for every year between 2000 and 2017. We want to study this topic because it will tell us more about the forest area that has become one of the most valuable assets for our country. The expectation of this study is to find whether there is a majority of changes in forest and non-forest area in measure as the year increases. The data set we used are from the online open data sources. Now we will move to data analysis. For the frequency distribution, the data we selected is not relevant for this project. So we made the data present using bar chart and compute the parametric values such as mean, median, and mode. Thank you.
My name is Syahabudin Umar B1 Ali. I am from Group 4 and this is stem and leaf. A sample stem and leaf for forested and non-forested from the 2000 and 2017. And not all the data was inserted to this figure because the data was big and really hard to understand if I put all the data inside to this figure. Then we go to next slide. Mean, median, and mode. Here we got three mean, median, and mode. Which is the first thing is whole measure from year 2000 and 2017. Total hectare is 592.84, and mean 117.6284. Median is 556.572, and mode is 7809. Second thing is forested from year 2000 and 2011. 2007, sorry. Total hectare is 2328.380826, and the mean is 1303098.516. Median is 395531, and mode is 7809. And the last is non-forested year for non-forested year from 2000 until 2017. The total hectare is 2644,66298. Mean is 1049469.437. Median is 598910, and mode is 68747. So okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Muzakkir bin Muhammad. I would like to explain about my finding for hypothesis 1 sample test. So given the hypothesis, the mu for H0 is 400,000 hectare. So mu is the mean of the size of forest in Malaysia, which is the population mean, and the H1 mu more than 400,000 hectare. So after the finding, after the calculation made, we get the standard deviation is 580,000. Since the alpha is 0.01, the critical value of Z is equal to 2.33. So we calculate the Z value based on the standard deviation, and we get the Z value is equal to 2.218428. Since the Z value that we calculate earlier is less than the critical value, which is 2.33, we cannot reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is not enough evidence to support that the average size of forest in Malaysia is more than 400,000 hectares. And the next test that I conduct is correlation. So we take a sample test. For example, we take the year and different in hectare of forested and non-forested. So from the I'm using R programming to do the calculation, and I got this value, the statistic T is negative 4.2593, the alpha is 0.05, the degree of freedom is 16, the p-value is 0.005994. The hypothesis statement is H null P is equal to 0, where P means the population correlation coefficient. So H1 is P not equal to 0. Since the P value less than alpha, then H null is rejected. Hence, there is enough evidence showing that there is a linear relationship between year and difference between forested and non-forested in Malaysia. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Elawarasi. So today I will explain about the regression test and chi-square test. So regression test is used to predict the value of a dependent variables based on the value of at least one independent variable. Impact of changes in an independent variable on the dependent variable. So for this datasheet, we will identify the non-linear relationship. Linear relationship does exist. So from our data, I will do regression and analysis. So from this analysis, we can conclude that since p-value is lesser than alpha, which is 0.05, so we reject null hypothesis. There is sufficient evidence to claim that there is a linear relationship between hectares and forest. And then chi-square. So for chi-square, I will find observed difference and expected difference between forest and non-forest. So before that, I will identify the expected frequency between the years, and then from this chi-square test, we can see that we can reject the null hypothesis. We reject the claim that the expected difference value between forest and non-forest areas are equal proportion in 18 years. That's all from my side. Thank you.